Hello fams, this week tutorial is a skirt with a flounce. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, you're missing a lot. Please do subscribe, like this video, and I love you always. Trace out your skirt block, the skirt block you've tested and you know is a perfect one for you. It could be a pencil skirt or it could be a straight skirt. So you determine the height of the opening, that's the center front opening. Then you curve it as seen or as shown. Ensure you curve properly because that is where the shape of the flounce will be drafted. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel and also share with friends like minds. So you're marking the height or the width of the flounce how you want it. If you want like 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, you determine it yourself. Then you curve it. Ensure you curve to the center back because from the picture above, the flounce went to the back. Here in this video, I have my zipper allowance inclusive, but that doesn't mean the flounce is going to be on the zipper allowance. You can see the diagram. So now I'm tracing out the flounce shape. Ensure to mark the center back, the center front, and the side. So when you cut into section or you divide into section, you are able to determine which is the center front and which is the center back. Now the flounce is ready. I divided it into section. Now cut out the flounce from the other paper which you've done, then slash gently. Don't cut out because we're going to spread it on another paper in order for you to add your fullness. So now you spread. So determine how full you want it when you spread. Ensure the edges are properly curved. Trace it out with your pencil or your pen so you'll be able to see what you've done, and ensure you mark the center front, where the center back, and where the side seam is, because that is how you'll be able to place on the main skirt itself. So I'm cutting out in order for me to have it laid on my body skirt. And remember, this flounce is going to be cut on fold. The pieces is going to be appear at the back. That says the center back is going to be in pieces while the center front is going to be on fold. Yeah, this is what it's going to look like. I'm placing. Now I'm going to cut out the illustration on the paper in order for me to fit in my flounce drafted. If you're yet to like this video, please do like this video and also leave a comment below. If you want us to illustrate a particular outfit for you, we will gladly oblige. Thank you. So this is what the skirt looks like, skirts with flounce. And remember, this is a pattern. Thank you for watching. I love you. Thank you.